Make a great choice today with
the 2022 RX 350. The RX 350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area, the RX 350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags front, passenger seat cushion. Your new ride is just a phone call away.